Hello everyone, welcome to Dekho Result official YouTube channel. Today we are going to study one of the most important topic for placement technical interviews, Viva exam and software developer roles. And today's topic is top 25 C++ interview question and answers. Previously we have discussed in part 1 and part 2 some of the interview question of C++ language. In part 3 we are also going to study some of the most interview questions that are asked in interview questions. So coming to the question number 21, that is the next question, what is an abstract class? So an abstract class is a class that gives rules to other class. It means, example, suppose a shape is an abstract class, so every shape should have a draw function, but rectangle and circle draw differently. So parent class can only say every shape must have draw, but it does not define how. Then rectangle make its own draw and this circle make its own draw. You can see. So what I mean by this, abstract class is a class that gives rules to other classes. So you can see here, and the famous example is a class containing at least one pure virtual function is abstract class. So here you can see we have declared that abstract class is shape. So abstract class has given that shape, and every shape should have a draw function. So circle will automatically draw its shape, and that rectangle will draw automatically its shape in the form of rectangle. So this is what I mean by this. Now coming to the next question, what is STL or standard template library in C++? So STL stands for standard template library, and STL stands for standard template library. The standard template library STL in C++ is a powerful collection of template-based classes and functions that provide reusable implementation of common data structure and algorithm. It is a part of C++ standard library. The components here in STL are vector, stack, queue, map, set. So vector is declared using vector int v, and the components of STL can be seen here like containers or algorithms or functions or objects or iterators. And some of the important containers can be vector, stack, queue, map, set. And for example, vector you can see here. So for example, real life example can be a toolbox containing ready-made tools. Similar way, STL library is also considered as a ready-made tools or components like vector. We can initialize using vector, int, and v, and stack also, q also. So it can act as a library where ready-made tools or ready-made components are available. Now coming to the next question, what is the difference between struct and class? So struct and class. So talking about the feature, default access specifier in struct members are public by default, whereas in class members are private by default. And default inheritance is public by default in struct, and in class inheritance is private. And the typical use of struct is to create simple data structure, whereas class is used for object with data plus functions. And encapsulation, it is less strict encapsulation is there in struct keywords, whereas in class better data hiding and encapsulation it can be done using access specifier like private, protected and public. And programming style common in procedural style coding. So struct is done using procedural programming, it is a concept of C. And whereas class means the common in object oriented programming. The style of coding can be based on object oriented programming. So this is the difference between struct and class. Now coming to our next question, what is exception handling? So in short, exception handling means handling errors during runtime. So exception handling in C++ is a mechanism used to handle runtime errors and abnormal conditions, allowing a program to continue execution smoothly even when unexpected situation occurs. So you can do it with try, catch or throw keyword. So you can see here that what I can say, error occurred. So we have tried throw 10, and then we have catch int x, and say this syntax is given here, and the output is also given here. You can have a look in our detailed video which we have provided in the course. Now coming to our next question, Before that, one famous example also you can explain to that interviewer exception handling. For example, airbags in cars handle accident safety. So similar way, exception handling also means handle the runtime errors in the similar way that car handles accident safely using airbag. Now coming to our next question, what are templates in C++? So template let you write a function or class that works with different data types. They help avoid repeating code and make program more flexible. Templates allow generic programming. Types of template: function template or class template. So basically I can tell that template supports generic programming. You can also see the code of template is given here. We can create a template using class T, and then we can declare the head, and then parameter can be given as T and DB, and we can return a statement. Real life example can be one machine producing different bottle sizes. So this is means actually we are having one machine, and the common aim of the machine is to means generate the bottles. So the size of the bottles may vary, like bottle of Coca-Cola or a bottle of oil container, which is something. So template is same, but the functions may be means different. Similar way, template let you write a function or class that works with different data types. Now coming to the means some of the bonus section. Most ask C++ coding programming questions or coding programs that can be: first, Fibonacci series; second, prime numbers; third, palindrome; reverse string; OOPS based programs; class and object programs; inheritance programs; constructor; array sorting; and matrix operation. And so thank you for watching means this our video. Revise pointers and memory management, practice previous interview questions. Also bonus interview tips can be: whenever you are speaking, speak confidently, explain with real life example, practice coding daily, and learn STL basics. Common mistake that the student make during interview are mugging answers, ignoring practical examples, weak coding practice, not understanding object oriented programming deeply, and do not expect perfection. They check only interviewer will check your means problem solving, communication, logic building, or confidence. So practice daily and improve consistently. So friends, this was our complete video on top 25 C++ interview questions and answers. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to Deco Result Official, and tell us in comments which topic we should upload next: Java, Python, React, SQL, or DSM. Thank you.